Hey, I'm Steve from Email Tool Tester, and welcome to our Aweber review. Aweber are a US-based company that make a pretty big claim, and that is that they invented the autoresponder. It then makes sense that marketing automation is one of their key features, along with performance tracking and excellence in customer support. After 18 years in the business, it's worth checking in to see how the innovators now fare against other, younger tools. So let's jump in and have a look. Let's begin with their pricing structure, which is slightly unique, in that you get access to all features at every tier, and the difference between them is solely how many subscribers you can have. The problem is that at lower numbers, such as up to 500 subscribers, it costs $19 a month with Aweber, whereas you can get similar services for free or cheaper with many other tools. In fact, the pricing doesn't really become any more favorable until you get up to around 10,000 subscribers. Even then, it's only $1 off Active Campaign's basic plan, for example. It's also worth noting that you have to add your credit card to sign up for the first free month, something that almost every other email tool has done away with. Once you're inside your dashboard, it's quite easy to reach all the areas, and most make sense. It is worth noting that in the messages section, though, the newsletters are labeled broadcasts, and the campaigns that you can see is actually their marketing automation. If you scroll down, you can see some basic stats in regards to your most recent newsletters. You can also easily create a new message by clicking the drop down from the upper right. Let's choose the drag and drop email builder for now. Once you're within the editor, you can access the templates from the right-hand column. You'll find quite a good range, although there isn't an option to preview beforehand, but you can easily cancel your option from below if you're not happy. There seems to be a bug with the sidebar that can be a little frustrating. You can easily click the sidebar arrow when in editing mode to hide the sidebar, but once you're in template mode and you want to minimize it once more, this doesn't work and instead moves the frame all over the screen. Hopefully this will be fixed soon. Clicking anywhere outside of the bar will rectify this problem. If you need more than one column in the email, I'd recommend choosing a template that contains them to make your life a little easier, as it can be a little fiddly, but if you persist with this editor, most things are achievable. It's just a bit of a steep learning curve to begin with. The elements are all on the left, and clicking anywhere on one will bring up the options. I've been told that all the templates are responsive, yet it's a shame you can't test this by resizing your window. Once you're happy, then you can save and send. You can send it easily as a scheduled post, or you could also use the newsletter as part of a follow-up series. If you want to create a series, then you create a subject, and you can also decide the interval and the sending window, which can be handy if you want to send something at a particular time of the week or day. You'll then be taken to the series builder. Once you create other emails within the series, they will be added to the list, which you swap and edit as you please. As mentioned earlier, Aweber's version of marketing automation is called Campaigns. You can access this from wherever you are via the menu at the top. If you've created autoresponder campaigns, like the follow-up series we just saw, these will also be shown here. Basically because, in effect, that is what their marketing automation is. The triggers for email campaigns are either from someone subscribing or when a tag is applied. Then you can choose three options from the left, either send a message, wait, or apply a tag. Other email services like Active Campaign have more to offer in the automations department overall. If, however, autoresponders are all you need, Aweber certainly offers an easy way to create them. Aweber also have a form creator that can be a little complicated at first glance, but it's worth looking at, as there are some interesting options, such as allowing you to set how often it displays, whether you prefer it just once or once every few days. To access the main menu here, you click on the drop down on the left. And then if there are any advanced options, you can click through on the right to see them. You can also toggle sections on and off from above the template choice section. There's also a healthy list of integration options available from the My App section in the menu bar. For example, you can use the Etsy app to drop your products straight into your email. While there are useful options here, it would be good to see more social media options, with Aweber only having one for Facebook available. One of the areas that Aweber shines is its support. Not only are they fast and friendly, they also have a helpful blog along with videos, podcasts, and webinars to help their subscribers get the most from their email marketing. Aweber's list management makes it relatively easy to automate list management, as well as applying tags to users. Not revolutionary, but other tools have done worse in this area. You can easily track and analyze sales via Aweber, and it's done in a way that's easy enough to manage for even complete beginners. Although marketing automation is often a positive with most tools that offer it, it's difficult to place it within the pros, as it's really just basic automation, and this is something that even they claim to have invented 18 years ago. That being the case, they really should have done something a little more innovative with their system. As mentioned earlier, the editor itself is kind of buggy, which can make for a negative user experience. It's difficult to get past the pricing with Aweber. It really does cost a lot more than other tools, especially when you take into account the fact that other tools often have more advanced options available and slightly more pleasing user experience. We hope that you've enjoyed our video. If so, feel free to give us a like. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.